Every yacht at Cruisers Yachts begins with a dream and a sketch.
We really focused on design, performance, and innovation.
This is definitely a flagship and a new evolution of what Cruisers Yachts is now putting on the market.
We knew that we wanted to have the greatest flybridge in this size category, and that meant bigger, better, and more of everything.
The new Fly Series has the Cruisers Yachts DNA, but every aspect has been elevated.
We designed an innovative swim platform that creates almost a water terrace. We want to bring our customers deeper connection to the sea.
By a push of a button, we can extend a large balcony, which brings the inside and outside together, creating one huge entertaining space.
It is a feature-packed product.
We are proud to be bringing the next evolution and raising the bar in this segment.
We wanted to offer all of this without sacrificing any livability. You can easily take this to the Bahamas or to the Caribbean and still have all of the accommodations and space that you expect out of a cruiser's yacht.
So everything is connected together, is the fluidity of the design, a feeling that you are back to nature on a high-tech world.
We have assisted docking that works in combination with our dynamic positioning system.
The Seakeeper 9 comes standard on board this boat.
All these features at your fingertips makes for perfect boating.